Hey GED students, it is GED question of the daytime, even if it doesn't look like it. So the question that I posed to students here was, how many chicken wings should I buy to get the best deal? This particular menu was all over the internet as people were trying to figure out what system this restaurant owner used to figure out the price of his wings, because it really varied. It didn't seem to make much sense to anyone. But to me, as the consumer, I want to know what's the best price. Okay, now, reason why I'm doing this shows up on GED all the time, whether you realize it or not. This is what's called a unit rate problem. It's related to slope. It shows up in slope application, shows up in word problems, shows up on tables and graphs in comparison problems on the GED. It is one of their favorite topics. Why do I say that? Well, if you're talking about comparing these prices, what you really need to compare is the price for one wing. Right now, these are all these different orders are for different amounts. One's for 4 wings, one's for 8, and others for 35. How can I compare them until I'm looking at the same amount? And so the way to do it is to compare the unit rate, or the price. Oh, let's bust out my pencil. Sorry, the price per wing. Now, this makes me super pleased as soon as I think of it in this terms. This right here works like a mathematical formula. It tells me exactly what to do. It says to take the price, the dollar amount, and per it. Per literally means divide. That's why we often abbreviate per as a slash, like a fraction bar, because it literally means divide. So I'm going to take the price, I'm going to divide by the wings, and then I'll be able to compare the prices. So let's give it a try. For the first one, I'll take the price, $4.55, and divide by the number of wings, 4. So 4.55 divided by 4. And I am not trying to do all this division by hand, y'all. I don't have that kind of time. I'm using my trusty TI-30XS multi-view calculator, the one we get on the GED, in order to compare this. So I find out these are $1 and a little more than 13 cents. 13.75. Okay, so it's a little over 13 cents, almost 14 cents per chicken wing. Okay, let's do the next one. 5.70 divided by 5. Now that one gives me a whole $1.14. And now, don't be fooled. $1.14 is more than $1.13 and pieces and parts of pennies, okay? It's not length that matters, but place value. So this one has a 4 rather than a 3. In this place here, it's bigger. That one is not a better deal. Let's keep going. 6.80 or 8 divided by 6. And this one gives us 1.13, looking similar to the top one. And then the next digit, it keeps going on with the 3s. So, I'm not comparing this one because I already ruled it out, but 1 and 1 are the same, 1 and 1 are the same, 3 and 3 are the same. 3 is smaller than 7. In the first place value that they differ, this one's smaller. And so 6 chicken wings is a cheaper deal. It's a better deal than 4. So I'm going to cross this one off. This one's now in the running. Let's try 7. 7.95, $7.95 divided by 7 wings gives me $1.13, 1.13 again, but then it's 5 in the next column, bigger than 3, and so I'm going to rule this guy out. Oh, not that one though. That was the one I just did, 7.95 divided by 7. Okay. Now, let's keep going. 9.10. I won't write them all down, okay? I hope you're getting the key here. So again, this one's $1.13, 1.13, but then I have a 7 bigger than a 3. It won't be that one. 10.20 divided by 9. Ooh, another one that came to 1.333. We've got a tie here. So right now 6 and 9 are tying. Okay, they're both in the running for best deal. Now, I am going to pause my video here so that you don't have to deal with me doing division 30 more times on screen. And I will write out the prices that I get next door so we can start ruling things out. I'm gonna just rule things out and see what I'm left with. You try it yourself. Go ahead and pause the video and try it. Got super excited, guys. I did a bunch more calculations here, and I finally found chicken wings that were less than $1.13 each. You know, I kept finding 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 chicken wings were all cheap. But now I finally found one cheaper. If you buy 25 wings, you only pay 1.112. So about $1.11 per wing. That's my current best deal. Let me keep going. Again, I'm going to pause you, pause to see what else you can see. Well, guys, I finally figured it out. I found the price per wing of each type of order here, again, by taking the price and dividing by the number of wings, and we've got a three-way tie for the best deal. I'll pay only $1.11 and 2/1000ths of a dollar. So think of like taking a penny and breaking it into 10 equal pieces. So like 2 pieces of one of those pennies. That's what that 2 in that thousandths place means. But anyway, just a little over $1.11 per wing if I buy 25 wings, 50 wings, or 125 wings. Great. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.